Hi, this is Bob Hall with Hallsome Farm, and I talk a little bit about some of the upsides to aquaponics today. This year I'm going to expand my wicking bed garden significantly, and part of that is I'm going to be planting more strawberries and blueberries and raspberries. And the box just came in yesterday, but I don't have the wicking beds prepared yet to put them in. So I'm putting them in my aquaponics system. I've already planted the strawberries right here, and now I'm planting the blueberries. And this is an excellent way, and this is actually a honeyberry here. This is an excellent way to keep your plants alive, because the aquaponics will keep it watered for you, and it's got all the beneficial bacteria and everything that a plant needs to thrive. And it's really quite simple. Just unpackage it, dig a bit of a hole, put the pot in, and then every time this bed is watered, these plants, it'll wick up and water these plants. So yeah, you can see the rest of the greenhouse this winter. We haven't done much in here. The grass is growing, and I've got things to take care of. But anyway, this little tree right here, it's a mulberry bush. I got that beginning of winter, and I didn't want to put it outside right away. And you can see it's already bloomed and everything, and we just got done with our last freeze, hopefully for the year, yesterday. So it's aquaponics. There's some downsides to it, but there's also a lot of upsides. And one of them is you can put almost anything. I can transplant. I've transplanted tomato plants that were, 6 feet tall. Moved them from one area and moved them into an aquaponics bed, and for them it seemed like they never were moved. They didn't stress. They didn't have any issues. And these plants, they'll thrive and they'll do well here until I've got those wicking beds built and set up, and I can put them. And I'll probably make a video of that. But anyway, just a quick little video. I wanted to show you one of the really cool things about aquaponics. I did the same thing here. I was going to plant a bunch of onions and haven't gotten to it yet. So I just put them there to keep them alive. They do well, and you don't have to worry about trying to water them or them getting dried out or too much sun or too cold. And it's just a perfect way to keep things alive until you're ready to. But maybe you're not like me. I always get all the stuff before I'm prepared, or we get the animals before we have all the fencing done, that kind of thing. So guess I've never learned my lesson. But anyway, this is just a quick, simple tip to keep your stuff alive. It's really helpful. The other thing too, I can do the same thing. When I go to plant out in the wicking beds or the garden, I can come in here and I can put seeds down, almost any kind of seed, and it'll sprout and start to grow. Then I can take it from here right to the beds or wherever I'm gonna plant it, and they'll do fine. So instead of potting everything up and getting everything, like we kind of do before spring comes, you can do it right here in the aquaponics bed, and it'll work beautifully. Anyway, hope this little tip was helpful to you. Appreciate you watching, and if you could share us and like us, that helps us. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.